Okay, for manually setting up a water softener like this one, you can just click the down arrow because this is English. The date you can see is not the correct date, so we'll show you how to change that. It's very self-explanatory. The DSN is an internet thing. You don't need to worry about that. And this dealer ID, you're going to want to change your dealer ID to what yours is. So in my case, let's go back. The month is January. The day is the 9th. The year is 2025. 12-hour clock type's fine. It is 11 a.m. right now. Press the checkbox to set, and we'll go backwards here. Set it to 11:50. Press the checkbox when you're done. Daylight savings, we'll leave that on no. So that is the correct valve type, HE1. We're using US standard units. You can switch it to metric if you need to. Brine type is a downflow. The diameter of this tank is 9. If it's 10, you can change it right here by going up to 10. In a residential unit, you won't have other options than that. Then you start getting into, commercial options after that. We're going to leave it at 9. Press the checkbox when you're done selecting the tank. Brine tank size, this is our normal brine tank size. There are other options here. This is the smallest brine tank. It'll be a narrow, like boxy brine tank. And then it just gets into bigger tank drums after that point. Yeah, like that's a huge brine tank, and then even bigger. But we are on a 250 brine tank right now. This household's hardness is 8, so we'll set it down. There's a fluff number that we put in here. We typically increase it by about 50%, so we'll set it to hardness of 12. Salt level is full. Yes, because we just filled it up. And now it initializes the tank. At this point, you're done. It does all the other calculations based on the hardness and the gallon capacity.